right and center, and it's not just the smaller names, it's the bigger ones that are leading this, Reema.
I think now the big change is that earlier it was more specific to tech. Now it's impacting the real economy jobs, the manufacturing jobs, particularly in consumer and retail, because these two sectors have the added headwind of the tariff impact. So there's all the more reason for them to tighten their belts and save costs. And then you're going to turn to AI to do that. So let me run you through the latest news. You can see that on your screen. So Procter Gamble has announced its plans to slash 7,000 white-collar jobs. This is about 15% of its non-manufacturing workforce. They're planning to do this over the next 2 years. And the company is saying that the goal is to build a leaner, more agile organization. But they're clearly trying to say that they will be using more digital AI tools because they want fewer people to do more work using better tools. Just some more details. They haven't specified which department, which region is going to get hit as of now. But the company has budgeted $1 to $1.6 billion in pre-tax restructuring costs, which will include your severance payouts, system upgrades, other transition costs. But as I said, another reason why you're seeing this in the consumer retail sector is because of the tariff impact, because the company has said that they're staring at a separate $600 million hit in FY26, fiscal year 2026, because of tariffs and rising raw material. And it's not just P&G. On 21st of May, even Walmart, said that they will be slashing close to about 15,000 jobs. So it's Walmart and P&G. And this time, as you said, right, earlier, maybe there was a one-off small one. This time, the scale and the numbers are hard to ignore, and it's happening in the real economy jobs.
When the world's largest retailer is planning to cut 15,000 jobs, you can't really ignore it. And of course, it shows signs of worry in the US economy as well. And the macro data that has been presented all through this week has been pretty disappointing, be it the private hiring, be it the initial jobless claims. And of course, today, the all-important non-farm payrolls that come in later this evening, and all eyes of Wall Street will be on that. But moving back to our own markets, then the